In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove black background on Shotcut. If you've ever downloaded a lightning effect or any visual element that comes on a solid black background, you've probably noticed that simply placing it above your main footage blocks the video underneath. That's because Shotcut, like most editors, will show the top track as is, unless you tell it how to blend with the layer below. The good news is there is a quick, clean way to make that black disappear so only the bright effect remains. Start by placing your main video on a lower track and your lightning clip on a track above it. This is the correct order for overlays, and at first, it will look like the lightning clip completely covers the shot beneath. Don't worry, that's expected. What we're going to do is change how that top track blends. So Shotcut ignores the black areas. Look to the left side of the timeline on the track that holds your lightning clip. This is the track header area where you'll see the hide and lock icons. Click in that area to select the track. With the track selected, open the Properties panel. In Properties, you'll find an option labeled Blend Mode. This is the key. Change the blend mode to Screen. The moment you switch to Screen, the black background is essentially removed. Screen tells Shotcut to keep the bright parts of the image and blend them on top while treating black as transparent. Since most lightning or glow effects are bright elements on a dark canvas, this mode isolates the glow and seamlessly layers it over your underlying footage. Play your timeline to preview the result. You should now see your original video clearly, with the lightning dancing on top as if it naturally belongs in the scene. This approach is ideal for all sorts of light-based overlays like sparks, flares, and particle glows that come on black backgrounds. If your preview looks intense or too strong, that's normal for high contrast effects. You can fine-tune the overall feel later by adjusting the look of the overlay clip to match your shot. The important part is that the black has been removed and the effect is blending correctly. And that's it. By selecting the overlay track, opening Properties, and setting blend mode to Screen, you've turned a solid black background into a clean, composited effect in just a few clicks. Keep this technique handy for any light or glow overlays you add in Shotcut.